Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and actually welcome to my kitchen. So in today's video I'm not actually in the regular setup because I bought something that I'm really excited about and I thought I would share the unboxing of this. So if you are new here, hi, I'm Joanna and in this channel I share all of my passions with new videos every Saturday, and it's usually around makeup, but I also thought I would share some lifestyle and geeky things, and this is definitely a lifestyle thing. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. But in today's video I'm going to unbox the Thermomix TM6, and in Portugal this is actually called Bimby. So I'm really excited for this. Let me just grab something to cut the box. And I just want to say, this video is totally not sponsored, nor am I a Thermomix agent. I'm also going to be doing the initial setup, so I thought that would be interesting to show you. And I'm just gonna have to put this box in the chair. Okay, so right on the top we have a small box, and I'm guessing this is all the accessories. So the first thing is the lid of the Varoma. We have a spatula that looks like this. I was actually quite curious for this item, and it's very flexible. We have this item that is a splash protector. There's the butterfly. We have the Varoma dish that it is actually a little bit bigger than I imagined it. There's also the little tray that goes in the Varoma like this, and with the lid. And we also have the measuring cup that looks like this. So I'm just putting all these things back in here, and I'm going to keep the box just in case. Ooh! We also get a cooking book. And this is what the book looks like. So it says basically, do whatever you please. This is actually quite nice to have next to you when you're cooking. And I'm guessing it does give you a little bit of everything, but I would say the special thing about the TM6 is that it actually has Wi-Fi connection to a platform called Cookidoo that has tons of recipes. The machine that is quite heavy, and the instructions manual is actually quite basic, so let's unwrap this. So this is what it looks like. It looks really beautiful, and the lid mechanism is actually closed, so I'm gonna have to plug it in to take these things out. And there's also a plastic protection in the screen and also in these metallic parts. So this is actually going to live in that corner. So I guess I'm just going to pick up the camera to show you the setup. Okay, so I am turning it on, and I don't actually need the cable to be any bigger, and I also have the manual next to me. So pressing the button, and I'm also going to remove this. And these. So this part is always very, very satisfying, and this is just setting up, so I'm going to give it a little bit. Okay, so just completed that step. Let's see what it asks me first. Okay, just opened the lid. So we have the lid. There's the basket that I actually want to try the spatula. It has this little thing to pick up the basket when it's hot. Yeah, that's actually quite easy. So this is what the basket looks like. And the cup with the blade is actually quite heavy. So going back to the setup, it's asking for my language, and I'm going to set it up in Portuguese. If you are new here, I'm Portuguese. So this is ticked on. The country, so it's automatically Portugal. And now it's asking me for a Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is this one, and I'm going to enter the password. So if I didn't make any mistake, it should be correct. And it is turned on. So next step is asking me for the Cookidoo account. So I have already been doing the free plan. You have a 30-day free plan, but the Thermomix actually comes with 6 free months. So I'm going to put up my email and the password, and I'm going to hit the green button, and it just logged in. So I'm going to hit next, and it does tell you to go through all of the safety instructions. And it is asking for the update of the software, so I'm going to hit OK. Okay, and I do think it is, actually no, I was going to say it's ready to go, but it's asking for the update, so I'm going to do that. And it's doing the update.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it just finished the update. I would say it took around 5 minutes, and I actually had the time to hand wash everything, even though everything is okay to go in the dishwasher. So this is the main menu. There are some preset modes. I am not going to try this today. And then on this side, you have the Cookidoo platform. I already have some things that I already saved in here. And this looks really, really nice. So these are the things that I'm going to cook tomorrow and today. And it also has a mode for the shopping list, which I already used, and it's super useful. So yeah, this is all set up and good to go. I'm going to call my Thermomix agent, and we're going to cook the first thing together. And if you live in Portugal, I will leave her Facebook page in the description box. She didn't ask me to, I'm just going to do it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and setup video. Do let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do some recipes in here. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for new videos every Saturday. And that is everything for this one. Thank you so much for watching.